Hey everyone! If you're looking for web hosting or just want an extra discount, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a special deal that can save you a good amount of money. And the best part? The coupon is applied automatically when you click the link in the description, so you don't even have to type anything.
Visit my channel, Coupon Code Hub. Now, check the video description. You'll find a special coupon code link there. Just click the link, and the coupon code will be applied automatically.
Right now, their New Year deals are live, making it a perfect time to grab a plan. Once you're on the page, click Claim Deal. You'll see 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Pick the one that fits your needs. The discount works on all plans and in every country. For this demo, let's start with the 48-month business package. Without my coupon code, the 48-month plan costs $143. But when you use my coupon code, that same 48-month business package costs only $114. That's an extra 20% discount. You save $29. $29 saved. That's a huge amount. Now let's talk about the 24-month business package. Without my coupon code, the 24-month plan costs almost $96. But using my coupon code, the price drops to just $76. Again, that's an extra 20% discount. You save $19. $19 saved. Still a huge deal. Finally, let's look at the 12-month business package. Without my coupon code, the 12-month plan costs almost $54. With my coupon code, you only pay $43. That's an extra 20% discount, and you save $11. $11 saved. Real money in your pocket. So why pay more for the same business package? Use my coupon code, get the same features, and save money instantly. Link is in the description. Use the coupon code now and grab the discount before it's gone.